Welcome back, artistic family. Shannon Gibson Art Designs. Glad you guys are here as always. So, having fun today, testing out a color palette for an upcoming commission piece that will be on a 12 by 36, and I have a 12 by 36 that I painted on before. I believe I called this my metallic sunset, and I used some texture sand to kind of separate the transition from the sunset. Anyways, I'm going to use this as a tester, and I am going to do a straight pour. So we're going to go ahead, load up the cup. All the details will be down in the description. I will be doing like a ×2 or a little speed up here, and then we're going to get going. We're going to work on this section first, and then here. And if you're wondering about the texture, I can allow this to go over the texture. It's perfectly fine. And then what I'm going to do is just fix the texture up, but I want to see how the tool will transition before I do that. Blown away. Before we get started, you guys know I absolutely love my sides, especially on thick edge canvases. So take a look at that gorgeousness and the stunning variations. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. Woo. I just want to jump in this painting, and I have to do nothing to it. I have enough paint off. I love the texture there. I love the divide and the division of it, and the depth that the white brings along with the obsidian and the black here. It's like that void. But let's talk about the color blend here. I layered it perfectly. Look at those gorgeous pearl cells. And then look at that. I love the border there, the teal. Oh, it's just absolutely gorgeous. And then I was going to like take some paper towel or a sponge and dab over this, like, you know, bring the paints together. But that works so well with the texture sand there, and it just fits with the whole piece. And I love these cool like little dendrite lines. And again, big, beautiful, bolder, succulent cells. The black ones came out beautiful. I feel like this is going to continue to set up. So stay tuned for the quick close-up. But guys, this piece is absolutely unreal. This exceeded my expectation, and I am quite confident that when I work on that commission piece and these colors, that the client is going to be quite happy. Oh, look at those yellow cells. They're gold. They look yellow, but they're gold. So cool. It's still setting up. Like the cells have popped in since we've been talking. Absolutely gorgeous. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for being here. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure it is black. Sometimes people fall off. Don't ask me why, but it happens with creators' channels. So please make sure you're subscribed. Please make sure your notifications are on as well. It helps the channel. It is all free. If you come here for color and tips and beautiful designs and you get inspired, please go ahead and hit that like button and comment. I really, really appreciate it. And stay safe, stay healthy. Stay tuned for the quick close-up. And I will see you all in the next pour or painting.